We're in RV solar class this week.
There is a tremendous lot to learn.
We've been doing builds on 2 units,
We have 2 builds today.
a fifth wheel and a Class A.
I'm excited about the next few days as we build these 2 units out, and we're trying to analyze the best places to put cable runs,
We installed a wall,
best places to put equipment.
mounted all the equipment,
We'll go ahead and draw a diagram,
got the batteries in, wired everything together.
and by the end of the week, we should have 2 up and running, full up solar systems.
It's really been a lot of fun, learning a lot.
I actually walked through with the school here and Todd,
Todd and Jeremy, they've been great.
step by step on how to go from 0 to a full up system in less than 5 days.
Really feel confident getting into the solar side of things. We're having fun here.
I am very excited to see the end of this.
You're missing out if you're not here. Come get you some.